Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. This is Mir Ali Ahmed and today I am going to tell you how can you mine Dogecoin. First of all, you have to click on the link which is provided in the description, and after that you will see a website like this. Let's introduce this site. This site name is Doge Market and its domain is .biz. First of all, I show you how many users work in this site. See this statics: 6,295,000 users work on this site. It means this site is a new, around about 1 month or more than 1 month launch since this website launch. And then I show you how many users invest there. Round about, I'll show you. Wait, there are 3,78,250 Dogecoins invested by the users, and this site paid to its user 27,369 Dogecoin to its users. Okay, and this website is an affiliated method of coin payment and supported coin payments, and many users know that the coin payment is restricted in some countries. Which countries? See this: these countries in which coin payments do not work. Okay, and Pakistan also is listed in this site. Okay, and after that, but if you are from these countries and you are not able to create account on coin payments, then you have not worry about all. I have a solution about that. Another thing, a Doge chain account. And if you not know how can you create a Doge chain account, then click on the description in which I provided its link, video link, how can you create a Doge chain account. Okay, after that we have to go on the site and see these plans by your own self. Okay, and we are working in a free version, and after that every minute we will receive Dogecoins like this, and we will profit, we will earn 1 Dogecoin per day. Okay, if we are in the free plan, and if we buy plans from this you can see we have to pay this with Dogecoins, and we will profit like this. Only for 15 days these plans work, you can see. Okay, after that, but I suggested you can't invest in this site. Do not invest in this site. Okay, we have to do work free of cost without any work. Okay, and after that I'll show you how many payments they pay out. First of all, we click on the payouts. See this for your solution and your mindset. You can see this. Today they pay our users withdraw 200 Dogecoin on this address, and this is the TXID. Okay, you can see, and the last and deposit are here. You can see each and everything, but I'm show you how can you create account on this site. First of all, you have to account of Doge chain or coin payments. Okay, if you are not able to create account in coin payments, then you have to go in the Doge chain. It available in all countries, not restricted in any country. Okay, you have to open your Doge chain account and click on the receive button. After you clicking the receive button, you will receive a link and address. you will click on the copy, and after that copy you will paste it here, paste, and after that you have to provide a password, strong password, which you will remember. After that click on the start mining. When we click on the start mining, we will be able to see our dashboard where our mining is started. Wait, some signal problem, maybe some signal problem. After clicking on the start mining, you will see your mining, your Dogecoin mining is start. You will earn 1 Dogecoin per day, and its minimum withdraw is 50 Dogecoin. It means you will be able after 50 days to withdraw your Dogecoin from this site. But if you have referral and you will investment, then you can earn money and will be able to withdraw your Dogecoins soon. Okay, but I suggested you, please don't invest in this site. Okay, it's your own. Okay, you see 1 hash power per second we receive free of cost, and we will able to earn 1 Dogecoin per day. And here you must to enter a valid email address, otherwise you will be not able to regain access to your account if you forget your password. So we have to provide an email ID. Click here. After clicking here, we have to provide our email ID here, as you see, but I do not want to change my password and save it here. After saving current password, I have to provide my current password and save that. Okay, now my account is secure. Now there is nothing unsecure in my account. After that I'll show you another thing, how can you earn from your referrals. You have to click on the affiliate program, and after that you will be able to earn 7% of your referrals if they upgrade their mining. Okay, and here you will be able to earn from your referrals. Thanks for watching, friends, and if you not understand anything about this site, you can ask me in the description. I'll tell you how can you do that. Allah Hafiz.